Work breakdown structure. So when introducing the project scope and the work breakdown structure, there are a few things that you need to know when defining the construct of the project statement and the techniques in development. So when defining the construct of a project scope statement, you must reference the process. And there are a few steps in that process, which include the description of the project scope, which can change throughout the project and tends to develop over time, depending on things that happen in certain areas of the project and the schedule that you're on. The project deliverables, of course, what you tend to get at the end of the project, acceptance criteria in each stage, and then the project exclusions and things that need to be taken out, things you want to stay away from in the project. There are several aspects of constructing the project scope statement and what can define a type of completeness or evaluation of the overall aspects of the project and the goals involved in the most successful outcome, which is obviously the goal throughout the entire project in each step. The practice of achieving the project scope consensus can be done by refining those evaluations done with the main project team members and those stakeholders, and also by receiving and utilizing feedback to maintain the stability of the project in each area and the criteria that rethinks the solutions of the project and how you should maintain those. The workplace breakdown structure, marketplace product introduction. So Kersner suggests that the development of the schedule that introduces the product in the marketplace through level 3 of the work breakdown structure here is done by arranging and prioritizing those responsibilities of that project scope initially created by the certain team members, where they address the project objectives and solidifies those deliverables that are needed to complete the project overall. The work breakdown structure can be used to plan the project scenario of, say, this introduction of the new art project into a marketplace. The levels are broken down and arranged in a logical order that is cohesive to the planning process and in which order they are to be performed. Kersner explains how if you allow the methodology of the execution of the project, of the product in this case, organizes those policies and procedures meant to be upheld for those stakeholders and how they want to see the arrangement of the project organized. So overall, the project scope and work breakdown structure are crucial to the function and the functionality of project management planning. And this contributes to the organization and the success of the project management team involved, including all team members throughout the entire process, the project manager, the stakeholders, and everyone in the total project outcome. Defining those individual elements throughout the process support each step in that project management process, supporting the scope and the work breakdown structure from the very beginning.